Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes, and if you're not new and you are a returning subscriber, hello, and welcome back. Today's video is going to be testing out the brand new launch from e.l.f, you guys. Oh my goodness, e.l.f releases some of the most interesting collaborations, and this one caught me off guard. I did not see it coming. I didn't even see anything about it until I literally saw it, I think like yesterday or something like that, when I went to Ulta and I was like, wait, what is going on? Hold, rewind. So apparently e.l.f. and Dunkin' Donuts collaborated and they came out with this amazing collection. I will dive into it in just a minute, but before we do that, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss any of my videos. Also, don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up. It really helps to just support my channel. And yeah, coincidence, grab a cafecito. Literally, this theme is all around coffee. I am so full. I just finished eating. I really wanted to drink a coffee with you guys, but Mama is full. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. e.l.f. x Dunkin' Donuts. We're gonna jump right into everything. Obviously, I will be giving you swatches. I know that I'm not always the best at giving you swatches of a collection, but I promise I will do it this time. So e.l.f. and Dunkin' Donuts collaborated and they have the cutest packaging to everything. Is my lighting a little too bright? Let me tone this down a little bit. Tell me if that's better. Okay, so e.l.f. x Dunkin'. This is the strawberry frosted with sprinkles face sponge. If you guys are interested in this, it is available right now at Ulta. They also have this like stack vault where you get pretty much the entire collection plus a reusable cup for $75, and oh, it is just so cute. The sponge retails for $9, which is a little expensive. I feel like their sponges are usually like $5, but hopefully this sponge really lives up to its claim because it is just so cute. They also have the e.l.f. x Dunkin', the Dunkin' Dozen eyeshadow set. So this one retails for $16, and as you can see, you're getting 3 sets of eyeshadows. I do really love their formula, so I'm excited to play with this one. We also have here the e.l.f. x Dunkin' Donuts Forget Putty Primer. I'm not sure if this is going to do anything different or if it's like their original putty primer formula, but obviously we're going to test that out. They also have here their glazed for days lip gloss set. Now this one retails for $12, and as you can see, you get 2. The cool thing about it is that it comes with like little chains. So you guys see that? So you can actually clip them to your wallet, you can clip them to your bag, whatever it is, and kind of take them on the go. And again, the packaging is just so cute. They have a lip exfoliator. Honestly, I don't remember the price on this, but I can't imagine it being any more than $5. And then we also have here, oh, is that it? I think that's it actually. We're gonna start off with the primer, Donut Forget Putty Primer. I love the names, they're so clever. So this is what it looks like. Opening it up, as you can see, it's very similar in formula, texture as their original putty primer. I'm not smelling anything, honestly. Okay, once you kind of like move it around, you do get a slight, almost like a coffee caramel scent. And please ignore my nails. I am trying to take them off so I can do a new set. I've been back into doing my gel nails, but oh my gosh, there's such a process, and having a toddler definitely makes it a little bit harder. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over the skin, especially in the areas where I have large pores. Oh, okay, that definitely did help minimize the pores a little bit. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin, but it does give you like a subtle glow, almost like a natural highlight. Do you guys see that? All right, let's open up the sponge. Look at how cute. Like, this is literally like a little donut packaging. And then on the back it says strawberry frosted with sprinkles face sponge. e.l.f. runs on Dunkin'. How cute is this? I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. Like, how are you supposed to do this? That feels a little bit off. All right, let's go ahead and get this wet. Yeah. I'm just going to use my e.l.f. Camo CC foundation since we're using, obviously, all e.l.f. products. I do not have high hopes for this sponge at all. It is just so awkward and big, but we'll see. It's definitely a lot more stiff than their original like sponges, and I love their sponges. It's probably one of the best from the drugstore. This one feels a little bit more latexy. It doesn't have that soft bounce. This is so awkward, and it's actually a little heavy. Like once you get it wet, it's a little heavy. I mean, did it blend out my foundation? Yes. Did it leave it patchy or streaky? No, it did not. But I just personally, I wouldn't use this as a sponge. It's way too big. It's too like thick, too foamy, and it just it's not doing it for me. It's so cute though. Like I would use this for pure decoration purposes. I'll probably give it to my daughter, but I don't see myself using this. So for me, this is a pass. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera. I will be back, and we are going to try the eyeshadow palettes. Before I go though, I do want to exfoliate my lips really quick, because I want to apply a little gloss on my lips since they are a little dry. So this is, oh my gosh, it smells like coffee. This smells so good. It's like their original coffee, or their sugar scrub. Oh, it's like you're walking into a coffee shop and the scent of coffee just smacks you in the face. So this is what I mean that it has the cute little keychains. I know my daughter's gonna want these as soon as she sees them. I'm gonna go with the pink one. Oh, oh, that smells good. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't know if my lips are red from like the exfoliation or if this is actually giving me like a hint of tint. I think it does give you a little bit of a tint. This one is called, I don't think it has a name actually, it's just called Glazed for Days. And then this orange one, this one's really pretty. It's just a straight up nectarine orange. They smell really good. They both smell like coffee. All right, you guys. I will be back in just 1 second. Oh my gosh, I don't know which palette I want to use. I don't think I want to use a blue because I have recently done like a blue eyeshadow tutorial, but we are going to swatch every single one of them. This one's called Chocolate Frosted with Sprinkles. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, you get 4 beautiful shades. All of these are shimmer, none of these are matte. So let's go in and swatch them. So that is the first shade. Here is the blue. Really pretty. Here's like the yellow golden color. Also really pretty. This one looks really pretty. This one's definitely more of a micro glitter, and it's a like soft rose gold color. This one is called Strawberry Frosted with Sprinkles, and this one is super cute, very pink. This one has 2 satin and 2 like pressed glitters. So the first one is this beautiful white that feels super, super creamy. And then we have the satin pink. It's like a very soft pink with a little bit of glitter. And then we have this really pretty like rose gold, which is that one right there. And then the last one is more of a mauve-y pink. So these are all going to be very soft colors except for this last one right here. But this one, the pink one, is really soft. Last one is called Boston Cream. And this one is the deepest out of them all. I feel like I want to use this one because it has a matte brown, but maybe I'll try to use all of them, maybe. So we're going to go in with the matte shade, which is the brown. Ooh, that's really pretty. This one is a satin with like glitter sparkles. And then this one is a yellow. It's a very soft pastel yellow. And then we have a white shimmer. which is that right there. So those are all the swatches of the palettes. I'm going to use this one for today. I'm going to start off with the darkest shade, obviously. And I'm just going to apply that. Oh, that's really nice. In a rounded shape. I'm going to use this shade, and I've already used it on this eye, and it definitely leaves a sparkle. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can definitely see it. It doesn't bother me at all. This one would actually look so pretty just all over the lid as like a beautiful, soft, smoky eye. But this one gives you a beautiful like caramel finish. So I'm just really using that as a transitional shade. I worked on this eye a little bit because I wasn't sure how the glitter was going to look, but it worked out just fine. I am going to go ahead and cut my crease. All over the lid, I'm going to go in with that matte yellow. It is a really pretty soft pastel yellow, but you really do have to like layer it if you want for it to be like very pigmented. If you just want a light wash of yellow, then it's perfect for that, but I want mine to be nice and bold. So I am having to just go back a few times and like really press it into the lid. And then I'm going to go into the Chocolate Frosted with Sprinkles palette, and I'm going to take this shimmery yellow and I'm going to add it right here into the outer part, and it pairs perfectly with this yellow. So if you want to lay the matte yellow on the bottom and then lay this on top, that would look so pretty. But I personally really love a matte lid. I'm going to go back into my Boston Cream palette, and I'm going to pick up that shimmering brown. And I'm going to apply it right here and then diffuse it. And then of course I'm going to go back into the matte brown. And again, just deepening up that outer corner. I'm going back into my Boston Cream palette, and I'm picking up the white shimmering shade. This is such a pretty color. And I'm applying that right here in the inner corner as a pop of color. This is really going to open up the eyes as well. I'm going to run that darkest shade into my lower lash line. Okay, I am pretty satisfied with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face off camera. And then I think I will give you my final thoughts on this collection from e.l.f. and Dunkin' Donuts. Lashes are on, lipstick is on, highlighter is on, full face is pretty much done. So let's quickly run through the products and see what I liked, what I don't like, and please let me know what you guys are going to be picking up, if anything. So I quickly just want to go through the palettes since we have 3 of those. I do have to say that I really like the formula. I feel like e.l.f. really never disappoints me with their formula. The only thing that I have to say is that I wish each palette came with at least one matte color in it, because to me, like, I just wouldn't see myself reaching for this palette. Even though the colors are beautiful, I tend to gravitate toward palettes that have a matte shade in them. It just makes it a little bit easier. They are really pretty and they swatched really nicely, and I really like the Boston Cream. As you can see on the eyes, it does look very pretty, although that satin glittery one can get a little bit messy. I do have like little glitter just pretty much all over the face. It doesn't bother me though, because the yellow is really pretty and it just complements the eyes super well. So I'm not crazy over the palettes unless you really want the collection. I don't know, you guys. I'm kind of on the fence. Let me know what you guys think about the palettes. I'm sure you guys know my thoughts on the donut. For me, this is just a hard no. I love the concept. I love that they did this. But again, the sponge is just way too big. It's way too thick, where it just really doesn't allow for it to really just get into the skin and apply the foundation well enough. It did a good job, and it did blend it out. But that was about it. I just really don't see myself gravitating or using this again. I think the one thing that I am really here for are the lip glazes, the orange and the pink. These are so cute. They felt so moisturizing, very glossy. The pink one adds just a hint of color, and the best thing is that it comes with a little chain, so again, you can put them in your wallet or attach them to your bag and always have them, and they're really cute to look at. And then of course the lip exfoliator, it's like the classic e.l.f. lip exfoliator. If you already love it, then you're going to love to add this one to your collection with the nicest, most delicious coffee scent. So that is it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this collection. Are you going to be picking up anything? And if you are, please let me know and share with me what you're going to be picking up, and also let me know your thoughts on this makeup look. Is this something that you guys would recreate? That is everything from me, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!